The AV-8B Harrier II, better known as the Harrier jump jet, emerged in the late 1970s and early 1980s as a joint effort between McDonnell Douglas and British Aerospace. It entered service in 1985, instantly gaining fame for its revolutionary vertical and short takeoff and landing V-STOL capabilities, a feature that allowed it to operate from places where no traditional jet could, evolving from the original Hawker Siddeley Harrier. This new generation brought major advancements in avionics, aerodynamics, and payload capacity, transforming an already groundbreaking aircraft into something even more capable and refined. Visually, the Harrier II stood out for its unmistakable design. 4 vectoring nozzles along its fuselage could pivot to direct thrust downward, enabling it to take off vertically, hover in mid-air, or land on short decks, an ability few other jets could match. Its heart was a single Rolls-Royce Pegasus turbofan engine, delivering immense thrust and powering its unique flight profile. At the time of its debut, the Harrier II featured state-of-the-art avionics, a head-up display, advanced radar, and navigation systems that made it one of the most sophisticated aircraft of its era. In terms of dimensions, the Harrier II measured about 46 feet long, with a wingspan of just over 30 feet. Its Pegasus 1161 vectored thrust engine could propel it to speeds of up to 661 miles per hour, Mach 0.9, giving it a range of roughly 1,200 miles and a service ceiling near 42,200 feet. Armed with a 25mm GAU-12 equalizer cannon and capable of carrying a versatile mix of bombs, rockets, and missiles, including the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AGM-65 Maverick, the Harrier II was a fearsome ground attack aircraft. Its practicality was another major advantage. As an older design, it was significantly more affordable than modern fighters, with a unit cost around $30 million, and lower maintenance expenses made it accessible to numerous air forces around the world. The Harrier's 4 swiveling nozzles gave it unmatched operational flexibility, allowing rapid response from carriers, forward bases, or makeshift runways. In combat, the Harrier II built a legendary record. It saw extensive action in the Falklands War, the Gulf War, and in later operations across Afghanistan and Iraq. It earned its reputation as a rugged, dependable aircraft, capable of delivering close air support, interdiction, and reconnaissance in some of the most challenging conditions on Earth. Today, the AV-8B Harrier II is gradually being replaced by more advanced aircraft, such as the F-35B Lightning II. Yet its legacy remains unshakable, a symbol of engineering brilliance, combat versatility, and a milestone in aviation history that will continue to inspire for generations.
From hovering vertically to accelerating past 600 miles per hour, the Harrier showcases a blend of fighter agility and helicopter-like versatility. A flying contradiction and one of the most iconic aircraft in aviation history. That's the AV-8B Harrier II, proving once again why pilots call it the jump jet, a machine that doesn't just take off, it defies gravity.